Okay, I've got this camera going, and now let's record on this. Now the previous experiment, the spring was all the way up to 20, so it was at the max extension. This one is a little less tension, so it should, I think we had 455. This one should be, since it's less spring tension, it should be at a lower revolution that it should trip. So I'm going to let that camera look at the little needle. See when this little spinning bob, it comes over here to the end, it raises that needle. That's what makes the needle go up. So that's what we're looking for. We're looking for that needle to go up. Then it's right at the correct speed. So let's turn it on again, and let's see. I am recording. Okay, making sure I'm recording. So I'm going to shoot for 400, and let's see. Okay, there's 4 something. Oh, the needle's already up. So I need to go lower than 400. I've already overshot it. Let's see. Let me make sure that. Okay, yeah. Oh, I'm supposed to be watching the RPM on this one. All right, let's slow it down to the lower tension, and .431. It's going back up. Let's send it down. Okay, oh, 380 something. Send it back up. Come on, go up there. And up, 387, something like that. Send it back down. It's real hard to get it right exactly at the point. Okay, slowing down. At some point it's going to trip, and it's okay, that's is it there? 387. Yeah, that drop it a little more. Can't tell if it's over or 386, 385, 3. That looks about 384. .383. Still going. Okay, 380, about 380. All right. So now we've got it was 455, and it's 455 when this spring was all the way full tension, and it's 380, about 380 when it was the least less tension. Now we're going to actually pull this off and weigh the device. Okay, I mean we're gonna, I'm sorry, not weigh the device. We're gonna put enough weight, enough mass on here to pull this down, and we'll know the force that caused it to trip this little lever here. Okay, just by adding physical weight. Let's stop this one.